Alright, trade recap from today. So today I took one trade. It was one win. And it was a really clean day in my opinion. We didn't get anything in the PM session, but buys for today. I shared it in Discord as well. Good morning guys, I'm bullish today. My low hanging fruit would be the previous day high. A lot of generate highs there. That's what I've marked out on my chart. So let's go there. I think I can maybe skip back. Okay, so this is what I saw in the morning. This is what we had structure-wise. I saw that we had CPI release. I knew about the CPI release, of course, but we had the CPI release, and CPI generated with all these highs. We took internal here on ES, but with that we left external. That doesn't mean anything by itself, but with the bearish bias, that does look like a clean original consolidation, or like generate equal highs. So I saw where we were in price, pre-market, market open. I saw that we went lower, and we do have this leg here. So what I did is I zoom into bigger time frames. We have a 30-minute BISI here, 30-minute one here, 30-minute one here. 1 hour, we have a 1 hour here, small one, and we have a 1 hour here. I zoom in, and from here I see that we have a swing high, we have a swing low, we have a singular BISI in here. That is my I will mark out that BISI, and that's what I did. On ES we had a BISI here, BISI here, BISI here, BISI there. 6 hour, we had a singular BISI also. So this is what I had on my chart, and I saw that we were inside of there. And this is what I had marked. So literally that BISI on the 2 hour, on ES that 6 hour, and then I had the equal highs marked there. And this is still from the, like, I marked that out this week but didn't do it today, but still I had the bullish bias. I was expecting even higher prices after this high got taken, but yeah, that didn't happen. But yeah, from here, 9:30 open is at this red vertical line here. And what I wanted to see is I wanted to see a manipulation lower before we're gonna sweep those equal highs, because we have a bullish bias on the bigger time frame. We have a bullish bias on like the intraday time frame. Everything aligned. Now I just need to see a lower time frame like confirmation. For me, that would be the inversion setup. We open here, market open here. We trade lower, we accumulate a lot, we trade lower again. And then I was looking for this. So we sweep all these equal lows. I saw that we had a singular inversion on the 2 minute. This candle closed above, but here would be my break even. And you can see on this candle closure above, ES already took these highs, so there was no trade for me there. Then from here, the rest of the session, I just waited. My bias was still really confident with the previous day highest drawn liquidity. What we did is, this was the 10 a.m. opening, which is here, and then here for yes. As you can see, we open, and actually what we did is we accumulate. We don't do anything. We didn't really went higher, didn't really went lower. And what I had marked out was these equal lows. And for ES, I had these equal lows as well marked out, because my thought process here was that this is the drawn liquidity. If we are going higher from here, we need to see at least people get stopped out before we go higher. Like, we have this run higher here, but we didn't take any liquidity. We took liquidity here, yes, but that liquidity got taken without people having the opportunity to go long yet. So here we have a straight lower here. So from here we already created like equal lows. Again, trade higher, and then this high didn't take this low. And yes, we didn't also. So this here, trading lower, and then after that getting a move higher. That means for support and resistance traders that this is like a protected area, that protected resistance area that they can put their stop on and under, because they are expecting for market to not go there. And what I was waiting for is, because we had chop, that this safe area for that support and resistance trader was going to get taken, and then we actually run to the target. I literally said that, like, literally anything that or everything that happened today, I literally said it beforehand, like, not to be arrogant, but that's just really satisfying to see. Definitely doesn't happen always. Most of the time it doesn't, but really satisfying to see today. But I had these equal lows marked out here, and 10.54 we sweep this low here. And what we had after then is I saw that we had a SIBI here. That's on the S. We were still holding it, and on NQ that was this here. I saw that we were still holding it. Then from here had a reaction lower, and turtle sweeping this low here. We failed to close below here, so we took equal lows here, and then again take the low here, and that's also really satisfying to see. That's literally this picture here, which is this here. So we take liquidity, we create some structure, from here drop lower, taking out the low, and then we actually run. Well, you can see that's literally what we had here. But yeah, I was really confident, the bullish bias, and from here this was a trade because we took the lows here, so we took equal lows. So if we inversed on this here, then I was already looking for a trade. We didn't here, which was actually on NQ. I think it was on the 2 minutes. Yeah, I was looking for a long here on the 2 minute on NQ. So on NQ we had a SIBI here, a SIBI here. I make it a singular one on the 2 minute. So in this candle you can see, or this candle, we sweep that low, which is 10.54. And then this candle was about to close above, but it didn't close above. It respected it with the exact same tick here. That's why I didn't enter in long here. I was about to enter in long, but that was the last confirmation for me, and we didn't get it. So I waited. And what we did is we traded lower again. We take out this low, and what we also did here is we didn't take any equal lows on NQ, but on ES we did. We took out this low and also this low on one singular swing low. We took out 2 lows, so that is the sweep I need to see. Also paired with the bullish bias, and now this confirming like my bias. So the lows got swept here, and what we did then is got almost that instant reaction. And from here we closed above on this candle. My stop was below the second lowest candle after the sweep, which was this candle. And what I was starting here is previous day high. As you can see, this is a 3-9 risk reward. That is inside of my 1-4 risk reward. So my full TP should have been this high, but I actually messed up on this trade, which was I had my I had this RR tool set on this candle, which should have been this candle because that was my entry on Topstep X. Like you can see it here. 1 minute. Where is it? That would be here. I don't know where the execution is. Let me see here. Honestly, don't know where my show execution is. Show confirmations. That's not it. Oh my god. Where is it? It's always here. Or does it change a lot? Show chart executions. Okay. So as you can see, is I entered on the closure above 23.90.50, which is exactly that close above. I entered on here, but I had my RR2 on this doji candle, which was this doji candle, which makes this target a 1-5.15, which is outside my first TP 1-4 target. So what I actually had is I had a 1-2 marked out here, and that's where I took 75% of my position off and then let the rest run to this high here. Why is that a problem? Because it is like ignoring my rules. Like I didn't know it. Like I honestly didn't know it until this buy side got hit. I think a bit before it, but I didn't notice it. I thought that I was executing everything by my rules, but it should have been this here, and this should have been first TP. And then what I do then is, if this was first TP, which it should have been, I let it run to the external, like my actual draw on liquidity. In this case, my actual draw on liquidity is all-time highs. I have no other draw on liquidity. But if this draw on liquidity is beyond the 1 to 10, then I reduce it to 1 to 5. And I literally just saw this. Like, it wouldn't have mattered, but I take a 1 to 5 if my target is beyond the 1 to 10, like my actual draw on liquidity. And as you can see, like, literally, that would have been crazy. Like, literally getting the top 10. If I was still in this, then I was total in with 8 contracts. Like, my risk was below 0.75%. It was actually 8 contracts. It was exactly 0.75%. That was my risk here. But I was in with 8 contracts. Took 6 off at a 1 to 2, which was what was it? 28.50. I think it was here, or was it? Yeah, that was it because of this, I think. Yeah, but took a 1 to 2 run here, and took 6 contracts off here and let 2 run here. So total 8 contracts was out of my position. But as you can see here, if I let that run here, then I would make at least, this is that 1 to 5. I would have made $1,880. On TopSap, the max, profits you can take on a day, 50k account is 1,500. Like, it's 50% of your total profits. So I can only make 1,550, but then still, I made 800, I think, or 900. I made 900 today, and that could have been 600. Like, I don't see it as a problem. Maybe it can be found as a problem, but I don't see it as a problem. Why? Because I didn't take any trade after. I wasn't trading the PM session. Like, I had no real emotions with it. But I was thinking, wow, I could have made 600 more. And why is that a good thing? Well, next time, now I know to watch this tool even better. Like, it can matter in the future a lot more. So it's good that I do it now with demo money and demo profits, then eventually later when I could have made more. It's not really a problem, but it's still a lesson. I took a great W, like, nothing to be said there, but still with the W, a great lesson came, and really thankful for that. But yeah, that would have been the original trade, which is literally at the top of today. But yeah, that would have been, or that should have been, the original trade. But yeah, what my original trade was here. That was my, I was starting in 1 to 2, which was here. That got hit, and then that 2 contracts were on here. And total made $900 today. Like, not complaining. It could have been better, but like, you can always be better, you know? But yeah, that was the trade for today. I was expecting for it to go even higher. Like, my draw on liquidity was still higher. Like, I didn't even expect for us to retrace all the way lower here. Like, I didn't even expect this. My rules tell me that once I take a win, I can take another trade in still the same AM session or the PM session. But I was content with enough today. Took one great trade. Could have made more, but still took a great trade. Didn't revenge trade. Didn't try to make more and get it even with the actual $1,500 that I could have made. No, I was just content with enough there. And then just accepted that it could have been better, but was an amazing W. Like, amazing trade. Followed everything by my rules, except that one thing that I accidentally didn't know, but followed everything by my rules. Bios was perfect. Like, literally a perfect trading day today. But yeah, that's my trade recap for today. Tomorrow I'll be trading as well, which is Friday. We have PPI tomorrow. I expect tomorrow to be bullish days again. But yeah, overnight session is going to show the bias, but yeah, we'll see tomorrow. Great trade today. Great performance by myself, if I may say so. And yeah, great trade, great day, and see you.